designers, we firstly try and not make it look too clinical. For example, why does a kitchen look like a kitchen? No need. It can function as a kitchen, but need not look like a kitchen.
An ideal kitchen would be, actually having the time to use it yourself, which is so rare. I mean, we put all these beautiful appliances. A lot of us don't get the time, but yeah, an ideal kitchen is where I actually have the time or I make the time to use it.
Being working woman, I need everything should be to the point, working and very smart.
In the reach.
Yes, kitchen should be smart with the appliances and other things.
Maintenance and the things, whatever we are using, either it's a hob, it's a chimney or whatever, it should be very functional, very easy to use and very serviceable.